Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Asad Yaqub and welcome from Pakistan. Sat Sri Akal and Namaste to all of you. Thank you very much for your love, for your kindness, for your care and for your attention. Asad EMS has got 50,000 subscribers. Thank you very much guys. It's all because of you, every one of you who is the subscriber. You have contributed in making 50,000 subscribers on Asad EMS channel. I'm really thankful to you. See that? Okay, and that one also. Thank you very much indeed, and I hope you will continue to love in the same way. You will continue to care, and love begets love. In response, I'm also going to make more videos for you, and this thing is going to continue. It's just the other day when I started taking care of YouTube channel and I started uploading videos on the regular basis, and now it's just 50,000 subscribers. I'm so happy, and now I've got new passion to work further. I've got new passion to make videos for you on IELTS, on English language, motivational videos, comedy videos, foreign language videos on French, Spanish, German, Italian, and what more, right? So there are going to be so many things I'm going to do for you. Thank you very much indeed. It's all because of you who is now looking at me and smiling, right? Thank you very much guys. So anything is possible if you start paying attention to that, and this channel is a proof of that. It's been with me. I mean, I started this channel many years ago, probably